Okay, here's a very, very short part two of the video. Maybe I'll make it a little bit longer with the calculator, but um, this is part two because the last video I accidentally hit this stop sharing button down here. Um, and then I swore a lot, but luckily that wasn't caught on tape. So now I'm just, instead of starting all over, I'm going to just going to finish from here. What I was going to say was that -3 to the 2/3 is scary because 2/3 is a radical, and we have to be careful when we have a negative. But luckily, this is the cube root, and it's squared, so that won't be a problem. So on an AP exam, as we've been talking about, you can leave this question, this answer, just like this. I'm going to somewhat simplify it. Um, This is the cube root of -3 squared. So I can write this as the cube root of 9. So this would be -3 cube root of 9. So since this is going to a very short video, I figured maybe we would try to check this with the calculator as best as we can. So the first thing I'm going to do is figure out what -3 times the cube root of 9 is. So -3 times the cube root of 9 is equal to, or approximately equal to, that decimal. So now I'm going to integrate this on my calculator. So here we go. We have 4x over the cube root of x squared minus 4. So 4x over the cube root of x squared minus 4. So now I'm going to integrate that from 1 to 2. You can see 2 is a vertical asymptote. Now I should really do this from 1 to 1.9999, but sometimes the calculator will do that for you if you just go to 2. So again, I'm just going to see what happens. So from 1 to 2. Now if I go past 2, I think the calculator is going to have a problem. What I should really do, my upper limit should be 1.999999, but let's just see if it works. The calculator is probably going to take a little bit of time to do this because I think that 2 is screwing it up. But it did do it, and I got -6.239. Now that's in my calculator. I forgot what I got in the calculator screen. So just to bring this to my calculator screen, this is nothing you need to know how to do, but I'm going to hit +0. And it will give me that answer from the calculator right here. So I can compare it to what I got up here. And now I'm very, very, very satisfied with my answer. And that is it. So that was I'm glad that happened, that I screwed up the first one, because I think this check is pretty useful. So happy improperly integrating to you all.